You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Ito na yung result ko sa gender. So, malalaman natin mamaya kung boy or girl. Tiffany! Tiffany! Baby, boy or girl? Boy or girl? Ito na oh. Ngayon mo. At tagal naman ni Rodora. Daddy, baby, boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy? Malalaman ngayon.
Wait lang.
Ano sasabihin ah? Okay na? Hoy!
Kailangan na lang ako reaction.
Nakita mo na?
Oo.
Game na, game na. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Carlo, boy or girl? Tiffany, boy or girl? Nanak, Tiffany, boy or girl?
Boy.
Ano ang hula mo?
Boy.
Boy. Anong hula? Boy.
Girl. Girl.
It's a boy. Boy. Boy or girl? Junior. Boy or girl? Boy. Boy or girl? Girl. Dalawa yung girl. Boy or girl?
Boy or girl? Boy!
Tiffany, boy or girl? Ano?
Baby boy.
Baby boy or girl?
Wow. Baby boy, girl.
Baby boy or girl, Tiffany?
Tiffany.
Boy?
Akin,
A girl.
boy. Sa'yo.
Tiffany?
Daddy sa'yo.
Girl?
Sino, may pustahan ba yan?
Okay lang dyan siya para matapos.
Sa taas! Oy, sa taas!
1, 2, 3.
Paano ba yan?
Yay! Kota na! Hi guys! Thank you for watching. So, see you soon, baby boy Colette. I love you. Healthy baby sana ha. Na-excite na si mommy and daddy and of course your ate Tiffany. Bye! Please subscribe. Team Colette. Hintayin natin si baby Colette na naman. Baby Colette, the baby boy na manas sa akin. Bye!